Welcome back. Ever wondered if your phone is hiding feature you have never used? You are not alone. In this quick guide, I will show you how to turn on hidden developer mode safely and unlock useful settings that can improve your overall phone experience without installing anything extra today. Let's jump right in. First, go to the settings. Once you are in the settings, scroll down to the very bottom. Look for the About Phone option. Once you found them, tap to open it. After that, scroll down again. Look for the Software Information option. Click on them. Here you can find the build number option. Once you found them, simply repeatedly tap on multiple times, such as 7 or 8 times. After once you tap on it, verify to enter your phone password. Then automatically activate developer mode has been enabled. This pop-up message. Once you found the message, this means your developer mode is activated. To check it works, simply return to the main settings page. After that, scroll down to the very bottom, go to the developer option menu. Here you can write now this developer mode is currently activated. Once you activate, here you can see various options such as you can enable picture color mode if you like, or disable it if you want to, enable or disable auto update system if you like, also customize any other thing. This is available there. That's it. I hope this guide made things simple. If it helped, give this a video like, subscribe for more easy tech tips, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye guys.